Howdy.
Hi.
Hiya.
How?
Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty
What's up, guys?
here at Wrapsesh, showing you our favorites from Fusion Tools Part 2. So we get asked this all the time online when we do wet applications, whether it's tint, vinyl, or PPF. What are you using for your mounting solution?
This.
This stuff right here.
Right here.
This is Fusion Tools All-Type Mounting Solution. The name in itself is self-explanatory because you can use it for all types of wet installs.
All types of things. Vinyl, tint, clear bra.
Yes, etc. So what I really like about this, it's a really clean product, and I tend to use less liquids when I'm installing with this stuff as opposed to just using your basic like dish soap. I don't know what it is about that, but you use less liquid.
It worked better.
It worked better, basically. What I also really like on both of these bottles, I like the little travel size one a little better. It has all your mixing ratios, so you're not guessing and messing stuff up, making it too slippery. So it tells you back here for tint, vinyl, PPF, what the best ratios are for your mounting solution.
And I have had to adjust that a little bit according to how hot it is.
Yes.
Or cold.
We are in Arizona, so it is hot.
Yeah.
So you need a little more slip.
Sometimes you need a little more, sometimes you need a little less.
So if you guys do anything wet apply, tint, vinyl, PPF, you gotta get all type.
This is your stuff.
And it's super safe. I believe they tested this product by like showering.
I think they did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it lasts for a really long time. Like I said, we've had
It's
these bottles for like years, and I have not had to buy any more. So it's a very, very small amount of this stuff mixed in with distilled water.
Safe and effective.
Yep. If you guys want to check it out, you can purchase this at fellers.com or 44 Tools.
Peace.